At the same as the height of this elephant, this is with the tricks, with the knowledge. She already said thank you very much and goodbye. And then I'll be back again. Okay, for now, 3 of the elephants will to show you how to paint the pictures. They can paint the pictures by their trunks. Yes, and they can use their trunks like human use them for painting. To train them to paint the picture, the Mahus used the time about nearly 2 months. It's not every elephant can do. Some elephants can do like this. Yes, for this class, we have 3 of them can paint the pictures because of their good brain, good memory. Okay, let's see them to paint the picture and listen to music too.
Unbelievable. The other guy's doing good, Ken. The other guy's making the tree. I like him. Unbelievable. Big heavy trunk means you got fine work.
Yes, okay, for now, three of the elephants will let me show you how to paint the picture. They can, you can paint the pictures by many stars. By many stars. Yes, I recommend on your left-hand side. Left-hand side, this one is male elephant. His name is Sinon. He is about 6 years old. During the second one, female elephant, her name is Sudha. She is about 4 years old. Yes, on your right hand with the long task. He is planting some tree, a big tree. His name is Oracha. He is about 15 years old. He's the leader of the group show.
I have no idea. He's got to get some. Now that one's only capable of trees. That's okay.
I think he's just a little guy here with an artist.
Look at him.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Sinon, he is painting himself. Baby elephant with this is some tree. Okay, so that too. 13, red color. I would like to explain you some details of these elephants. For the female elephant, when they're about 15 years, they will be pregnant. Use the time for pregnancy about 20 months to 22 months or nearly 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times until 50 years they stop to pregnant. At that time they are getting old. And most of the elephants average they can weigh about 4 tons of 1,000 kilograms. They can live as long as a human life, 80 years to 100 years, at the same as a human life. Yes, but to painting the picture is not every elephant can do. Some elephants can do like this. They can paint the pictures by memory, because they can remember about it the moment you touch them. What is the step? But they cannot see the colors clearly, and then the host will take the colors to them to paint the pictures. Everybody, if you would like to take this picture, please contact me. You can take this. Maybe you take this to the special that you love to be the best present, best souvenir. Each picture just only 600 baht. Because of for Sudha's picture is belong to someone already. Because of the reserve.
This guy did all right here.
Sudha.
Yeah, he did. He's no slouch.
Yeah.
I got a little worried in the beginning.
Yeah.
He's no slouch.
His brush is not as fine as this one.
Guess of Sudachi is so clever. Just with 4 years old.
Yeah.
Orchai, he is putting some flowers.
Oh, you do have to go there somewhere.
Yeah, I know. This guy's
Because they are painting by their imagination.ทุกท่านที่ชมนะคะอยากจะเป็นเจ้าของก็เรียนเชิญติดต่อได้นะคะภาพละ600 บาทเท่านั้นค่ะมีกล่องใส่ให้เรียบร้อยนะคะยกเว้นของสุดาค่ะสุดามีคนจองแล้วนะคะไม่เห็นกับตาคงจะไม่เชื่อนะคะว่าช้างวาดรูปได้นะคะโอ้เราใช้อินฟลูเอนซ์to paint the pictures very nice so nice โอเคว่างเลยครับSudha and Sinan, they would like to show you how to start their names. The first one is on the left-hand side. His name is Sinan. Yes. And Sudha.
Unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. Absolutely.
Okay, Sudachi finished the panda pictures. Very nice. Reckless of herself with herself. Suda.
That amazing. Oh, I'm just floored. Okay.